Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. Today's episode on Your Prep for Today is going to be about home repair, specifically the tools and supplies you need to carry out that repair. Now, some of you are also subscribed to my other channel, Camppatton Family Compound. If you've been following that, you noticed that I had a little oobagoo here on the new home here. We had a water valve that had developed a small leak that was just weeping a lot of water. You can go see those videos on it. The thing is, though, there are some tools in there that I did not have, but fortunately my son did. And he brought them from California so we could find out exactly how bad it was, what parts of the wall we had to take out and replace, and what parts of the floor we had to take out, how far back. Basically, it saved us a bunch of work. Instead of just tearing everything out, we didn't have to. He found exactly where we needed to tear, marked it, we cut the sheetrock out, removed it, the flooring, found out how big of an area was actually being affected. We cut out the linoleum and stuff like that. So being prepared with the proper tools and the proper skills can save you a lot of time. Now, a lot of preppers don't have anything but a small toolbox. You need to have more than just a couple things to do. Yeah, a couple screwdrivers, a couple wrenches and stuff are going to help you out. But there are other things you're going to need too. Saws, not just circular saws, jig saws, reciprocating saws, drills with hole saws, concrete drill bits. There's a lot of tools. One of the things that I would highly recommend is pick a brand of good quality cordless tools and start getting the complete set, one tool at a time. If you can find a set that's on sale, so much better. I personally use the Craftsman 9.2 volt system with the ion lithium batteries, and my son is using the new 20 volt system, and he had a couple of the 9.2s. He gave them to me when he bought his new system. He wanted to keep all his tools the same. So one of the things you need to figure out is what brand you want to do. Is it going to be Craftsman? Is it going to be Rigid? Is it going to be Milwaukee? What is it that you're going to use for your tools? And then there's the hand tools, the general hand tools, the pipe wrenches, aka monkey wrenches, the crescent wrenches. Some people call them spanners. You need to have a selection so you can actually work on stuff. Because if you have one that only opens up like a crescent wrench that only opens up so far, and you need it to open up bigger, you may be in trouble. Whatever tools you think you're going to need, start getting them. If you're not sure, check with a professional. Find out what they use, and then you can add to your stuff. You don't have to have everything they have, but you need to have enough to complete the emergency repairs or stoppages, like turning off the water, turning off the gas, whatever, to stop the damage. So if you have to get a professional in there, you can limit the damage and get them in there on time. I hope this helps out in some way. If not, leave questions down below and I will answer them. Alrighty. As always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.